everybody, this is Nora, and guess what, guys? I have some brand new Beauty Big Bang stamping plates here to show you. We're gonna do a review, and so these are 9 plates. I have number 17, XL-17 through XL-25, and as always, I will have the links down in the description bar below. Remember that you may use my code NAQ57 to save 10% across Beauty Big Bang's website. So let's get to these. So like I said, 9 different plates, and I have them here in the order that I've already decided to do the review on. I'm going to break these up into 3 different videos. So this video is only going to be about just a sneak peek at these. I'm going to peel off the blue protective film, and I'll give you some measurements because I've been asked before on the measurements of the images. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to show you, they won't be in order, but I'm going to show you in the order that I will be making the videos in a way that they make sense to me. Okay, so yeah, so there's 9 of them. Let's break it up into 3. The first 3 that I'm going to show are going to be 21, 22, and 23. And if you notice, check out this on the sleeves here. They are now starting to put the number of the stamping plate on the outside. I'm glad they did that because I was having to kind of write it on the outside of the sleeves. Okay guys, so here was the first 3 that I'm going to group together. I felt that these 3 went really well together with them being in the floral and botanical themes. They have flowers and this, like this one has some butterflies here. I love the cherry blossom here. And this image right here, these are butterflies, but their wings are so delicate. They're so pretty. They look like flowers to me. That was number 022, number 21. Check out the parrot here, the tropical parrot. There's like she's in paradise, tropical paradise. These are very cool tropical leaves. And then who spotted the Patronas right there? Check them out. Isn't that cool? This was number 21, and then number 23, all these flowers. Now let me go ahead and give you some measurements for these if you're interested. So I noticed they're pretty much about the same. The height, or let's see over here, these are about 1 inch tall, very close to almost a full inch there from top to bottom. Okay, so as far as the length of a nail, okay, and then width just over 1/2 inch, right? Let's make sure. Yes, just over, it's like 1/2 inch in another line. So just over 1/2 inch right there. So really good size images, guys, I think. All right, so let's move on to the second group of plates. Alright, so here's the second group that I am going, this will be my second video after that first group. This first one here is number 17, and the reason I grouped them together is because it seemed to me like there were the 3 different ones. This one would be in very geometrical, has a lot of geometrical images, super cool images, look at them. And yes, so again, this one, these top to bottom, really close to 1 inch. It's like a line from being 1 inch, and then the width, yeah, just over 1/2 inch. Okay guys, and again, so this one XL-17, XL-024. Check these out, super cool. These are going to be fun for these. See how the flowers are here. You can paint this, give them a color, and then you have your backdrop of the geometrical backdrop or the patterns. These remind me a lot of some of you London stamping plates. I love the sunflowers here. And then look at this one. Remember how they kind of give us a hint on one of the other plates with the lady faces? So look at these. We have even more faces here. Look at this. So gorgeous, gorgeous. Now, and with these being, they're not exactly rectangular images. They're right there, right around, yeah, same measurements as the images that are more full, more rectangular. I like this one, negative space one. Beautiful. And this one's 0.25, so this will be my second video. Let's move on to the third group of plates. So here's the third group of plates. I will be reviewing and doing the swatches on, guys. You can probably guess why I left them for last. These are, all three of these are Halloween theme plates. Halloween or date of death with the sugar skulls. Oh my gosh, check them out. Super, super cool. I love this skull right here. He looks like he's like in a frame, a mirror or something like that. There's a frame around him. Here's a sugar skull right there. Lots of, so there's all kinds of different skulls here. You have your sugar skulls, and then you have like the typical skulls of something that you will do more for like Halloween. Super cool. If you are into skulls, you're going to love this plate. This one is 0.18. Then we have more towards 0.19. That is more towards the Halloween. I like how it says trick or treat here. It's a huge tree. This will really, so it's pretty wide. Let's see this one. That tree is, yeah, that's about 3/4 of an inch. And the height, so it's not quite an inch. No, so it's not as, it's about 3/4, yeah, it's almost square, and you can almost tell it's almost a square image, about 3/4 by 3/4. And then all the other ones, they're an inch, almost an inch height by, yeah, just over half an inch wide. And then we have some single images here that says Boo, the witch, the ghost, pumpkin. Super fun images here for Halloween. And then last but not least, we have the XL-20. This one, yes, more Halloween. Look at the little village here, kind of like the house with the tree. And then we have zombie hands. I like, they have some integrated here that goes with some lace. And my favorite one here is this one. Is a skull inside a paisley design. Super, super fun images. Alright, so there you guys have it. Just a quick review summary over about these stamping plates, what you can expect in the form of images and themes and the size of these images. Again, these are to continue their XL collection. If you guys have any questions about these before I do my individual reviews or individual videos for the groups that I mentioned, put them below and I'll be happy to answer. I would like to thank Beauty Big Band for sending me these beautiful plates to play with and review. Remember that I will have the links down in the description bar below, and you may use my code NAQ57 for a 10% discount. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video and quick review. Look forward to the upcoming videos, swatches of these plates, and I'll hope to have some design samples for them as well. If you guys enjoyed my review, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.